Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2. The person I'm trying to help, and I've already helped them do the maid duck lady, but they want this border. But if you could see, there's some gray matter and pretty messed up. Luckily, this logo is kind of already broken apart and it's still together, so we can move that down. And you see what the problem is. We're actually going to try a left click, right click, but it doesn't do anything. So a couple of ways we can do something. We can go to view and wireframe and see what we got. And you just see it's a black box. Nothing you can really do with it. You can't delete it. So we're going to go, and first of all, I'm going to make a copy. I'm going to change my nudge factor because this is bigger than the other one, like the 15 inches. And I'm going to make a duplicate of that. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap. Doesn't matter what color. When you do that, this will come up to trace bitmap. I'm going to go trace bitmap, outline, trace clip art. And what that's going to do, that's going to trace this thing. It's going to take just a little bit of time. It's going pretty fast now. And what we're going to do now, we're going to move that out of the way. And look at that. We have that part. There's still some trash in it. And we could try a couple of things. I don't think it's really going to matter. Let's go up to range and group and ungroup it. And then let's just grab it and move it over. See how it kind of left that white trash? But we have this now. So this is basically done. There's some holes in there. It just depends on what you want it to look like. I mean, the original has holes in it. It's kind of, and this is going to be a more like a vector. You could get rid of those holes, but I think they're really needed. And then all you have to do is just take this and make it the appropriate size and place it. Well, let's just do that. Let's go to range, group, and ungroup it. And let's take away my old one. And let me see if my old one, my old one doesn't have any green in it. You could get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of all this white garbage before, so I won't mess it up. Now I am moving stuff around, but I can place it pretty general. And let's see if we can't, what can we do to get rid of that? And it could, well, you know what? It's not really green. They're just seeing through the green, because if we take away our box, you can't see it because it's looking through the green. I normally use yellow, but in this case, I thought the green would look, kind of show it off more. So that's what's happening. So I would just kind of leave that. It's pretty good. It's pretty, it would take you a long time to redraw that, and then just place it up there and go to arrange, order, back a page. Now that's probably going to be red. So we're going to take red, click on the red, order, back a page. And there we have it. And then once you have the original side by side, you could get it, make it a little bit bigger, make it a little bit smaller. If you wanted everything encompassed in it. That's, it didn't take that much work. It just took a lot of thinking. But that's a pretty cool logo that's going to be printed. And if you print that for the one I'm doing it for in a dark blue shirt, that'll look pretty outstanding. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.